Hello dear children. Now let's start the exercise 1.3 from book 2 chapter 1 fractions. Okay, add mixed fractions. So we have already seen how to add the mixed fractions whose fractional part is like, and here we are going to see how to add mixed fractions whose fractional part is unlike fraction. So if the fraction part is unlike, we have to make it like, then we have to add them, and then we have to find the final sum, and then we have to reduce to the lowest term if possible. So let's start. Step 1. Add the fractions. So we shall start solving the B example first. So I'll add the fraction 2 by 5 plus 5 by 6, that equals to, now the LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. Therefore, let's make the denominator 30. So 5 into 6 gives you 5 6 are 30. So multiply to the numerator also by 6 plus 5 whole divided by 6. When we multiply 6 by 5, we'll get 30 as a LCM, which is equal to 6 2s are 12 upon 30 minus 5 5s are, plus 5 5s are 25 divided by 30. So why I have taken the denominator 30? Because LCM of 5 and 6 is 30, right? So therefore let's go further. 2 by 5 plus 5 by 6 equals 2. So 12 plus 25 will get 37 as the answer. 37 upon 13, isn't it? So now step 2. Our step 2 is add whole numbers. Yeah. Now let's add the whole numbers here. Therefore, the whole numbers are 3 plus 2, isn't it? That equals to 5. Step 3. Write whole number and the fraction together. Write whole number and fraction together. Therefore, let's rewrite. 3 is to 2 by 5 plus 2 is to 5 by 6 equals to, the sum is 5 37 upon 30. Okay. Further, if you know that 37 by 30 can also be written this way. Okay, 1 is to 7 upon 30. Okay, we can write that way. So this can also be substituted as 5 plus 1, this is whole number I have added, is to 7 by 30. Therefore, 3 is to 2 by 5 plus 2 is to 5 by 6, that equals to 5 plus 1 is 6 is to 7 by 30, and hence the answer. Now let's solve F example. Step 1. Add the fractions. So if you see in this fraction, 1 by 2 plus 5 by 6, 6 is the LCM of 2 and 6. Okay, so to make the denominator 6, we have to multiply 2 by 3, 2 into 3, and to the numerator also by 1 into 3, isn't it? Therefore, for the fraction 5 by 6, denominator is already 6, so we have to multiply by 1. Therefore, 5 into 1 divided by 6 into 1. Therefore, 3 ones are 3 divided by 6 plus 5 ones are 5 divided by 6. Okay, so further, let's add 1 by 2 plus 5 by 6, that equals to 8 by 6. That equals to, now we can change this fraction in terms of mixed fraction, like 1 is to 2 by 6. So all of you are knowing how to convert the fraction, okay, improper fraction into mixed fraction. So just say 6 ones are 6 plus 2 8. So it is 8 by 6 fraction. Therefore, now let's go ahead with step 2. Step 2 is add whole numbers. Add whole numbers. Now if you see children, the whole number is 4 and 4, isn't it? So let's add the whole numbers. 4 plus 4 that equals to 8. Even you can add this whole number also, but that will make you confusion. So I'll write up to here only. I'll follow the same procedure. Now step 3. Write whole number and fractional part together. Therefore, let's write the whole fraction first. 4 is to 1 by 2 plus 4 is to 5 by 6. That equals to, whole number is 8 and the obtained fraction is here. So here we have to add 8 plus 1 and 2 is to, 2 by 6. Therefore, after adding 8 plus 1, it will be 9. 9 is to 2 by 6. So therefore our final answer will be 4 is to 1 by 2 plus 4 is to 5 by 6 equals to 9 is to 2 by 6, and hence the solution. Hope you all have understood this. That solve and express in the lowest form or as a mixed fraction. So what we have to do here is, here they have given unlike fractions. And you know that unlike fractions can't be added together directly. So first, these unlike fractions we have to convert into like fractions. So how do we convert it? By finding LCM. So we have to find LCM of both the fractions, make them like fraction, add them together. And definitely you will find the improper fraction, or you will find the fraction which is not at its lowest form. So further, after adding the sum which we obtain in terms of fraction, that we have to reduce to the lowest term. So let's get started. Our first question, 2 upon 9 plus 3 by 4. So these are unlike fractions. So first let's take out LCM. That solve and express in the lowest form or as a mixed fraction. So what we have to do here is, here they have given unlike fractions. And you know that unlike fractions can't be added together directly. So first, these unlike fractions we have to convert into like fractions. So how do we convert it? By finding LCM. So we have to find LCM of both the fractions, make them like fraction, add them together. And definitely you will find the improper fraction, or you will find the fraction which is not at its lowest form. So further, after adding the sum which we obtain in terms of fraction, that we have to reduce to the lowest term. So let's get started. Our first question, 2 upon 9 plus 3 by 4. So these are unlike fractions. So first let's take out LCM. Therefore LCM of 9 and 4 is 36. So let's see further. The denominator of both the fractions should be 36. Therefore let's express first 2 by 9 as a equivalent fraction. 2 by 9 equals to 2 into divided by 9 into. Now we have to divide this 36 by 9. We will get 4 as an answer. Therefore multiply both the side by 4. Therefore 4 2s are 8, 9 4s are 36. Therefore the equivalent fraction obtained for 2 by 9 is 8 by 36. Similarly, we shall find for 3 by 4. 3 by 4 equals to 3 into divided by 4 into. We have to divide 36 by 4. When we divide, we will get answer 9. So 3 into 9, 4 into 9. Therefore, 9 3s are 27 and 9 4s are 36. Now can you see the equivalent fractions obtained of both the fractions are like, isn't it? These are like fractions. So let's rewrite the terms. 2 by 9 plus 3 by 4 can be expressed as 8 by 36 plus 27 by 36. So let's add them together. 2 by 9 plus 3 by 4 will further become 8 plus 27 divided by 36. Therefore, 2 by 9 plus 3 by 4 equals to 27 plus 8 is 35. It is not further divisible by any other number other than itself, isn't it? So therefore, we are not going to reduce this to the lowest term, and already it is a proper fraction. If the answer obtained is improper fraction, we have to convert it to the mixed fraction. Okay, so this is our answer. Now let's solve the F example. So to find the sum of these fractions, the first thing we have to do is we have to find LCM of denominator. So let's find LCM of 12 and 4 is 12. So just see 2 by 12 is having the denominator 12 only. So we are not going to find an equivalent fraction to this. Okay, so you can just write this this way. 2 by 12 equals 2. So 2 into 1 divided by 12 into 1, isn't it? To make the denominator 12, we have to multiply by 1. Okay, so 2 upon 12 will remain same. Next, let's take 3 by 4 down. 3 by 4 equals to 3 into 4 into. So when we multiply 4 by 3, we'll get answer 12. So multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So further step is copy the question as it is and add this equivalent fraction. Thus 2 by 12 plus 3 by 4 equals to 2 by 12 plus 9 by 12. Therefore, let's add them together now. 2 by 12 plus 3 by 4, that equals to 2 plus 9 divided by 12. Therefore, 2 by 12 plus 3 by 4, that equals to 11 upon 12. Okay. This fraction is also a proper fraction, so no need to convert to the mixed fraction, and it is already reduced to the lowest term, and hence the solution. So now we shall go ahead with word problems. Exercise 1.4. Lena read 2/8 of a book on Wednesday and 3/8 of a book on Thursday. What fraction of the book did she read in all? So, what fraction of the book did she read in all? So by this you will understand that we have to add the fractions together to find what fraction of book had she read, isn't it? So first we have to write the given things. So in that, as two fractions are there, here and here, we have to make the statements on these two. Okay, so book read by Lena on Wednesday, okay, or fraction of book read by Lena on Wednesday equals to 2 by 8, and fraction of book read by Lena on Thursday equals to 3 by 8, and fraction of book read by Lena in all equals to question mark. So this is how we have to write the statements, and key is addition that already we have identified. So let's solve further. So let's add the given fraction, that is 2 by 8 plus 3 by 8. So it is not much complicated because it is a like fraction only. Therefore 2 plus 3 by 8, that equals to 5 by 8. Therefore, what fraction of book had she read on both the days? She has read 5/8 of book on both the days. So let's write the final statement. So this is our last statement, final statement. Let's see the question D. A milkman puts 1:1/5 liter of milk in 2:2 by 3 liter of water. How much liquid does he have now? Just see. So sometimes when the milk is very thick, so milkman puts some water in milk, okay, to reduce its thickness and to increase its volume. Thus, so how much amount of water has he mixed? He has mixed 2:2 by 3 liter of water has been mixed in 1:1 by liter of milk. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to add them together. So first let's write the given thing. So first statement is quantity of milk he has put in water. Okay, or simply you can write quantity of milk, and next, or you can write capacity of milk, and then you can write capacity of water, and then you can write capacity of liquid form. Okay, as we need to add the capacity of milk and water to find the capacity of liquid, the key will be addition. So let's write further. We have to add these fractions. 1:1/5 plus 2:2 by 3. So what is our first work? First we have to do with the whole numbers. So let's write 1 plus 2. I have added first the whole numbers. The combination of whole number and a fraction is called mixed fraction. And then let's write the fractions separately. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 3. But now you know that 1 by 5 and 2 by 3 are unlike fractions. Okay, so we have to make them like fraction by finding the LCM. So let's write LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So let's convert here and write. So 15, therefore 1 into 5 into, to make this denominator 15, we have to multiply this by 3 and this by 3 plus 2 divided. Further, we have to multiply this fraction also by 5 to make this denominator LCM, that is 15. So 3 into 5 is 15. So as to the denominator we are multiplying by 5, to the numerator also we have to multiply by 5, so 2 into 5. So therefore after adding this, the next step will be 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 ones are 3, 5 threes are 15 plus 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Okay, so copy the questions as it is. 1 is to 1 by 5 plus 2 is to 2 by 3, that equals to 3. So now it is a like fraction, isn't it? So we can add directly. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 divided by 15 liter. Therefore 3 is to 13 by 15 liter is the sum or the capacity of liquid formed by adding water. Okay, so and hence the solution. Let's see subtraction of fraction. So subtraction of like fraction is same as to that of addition of like fraction. Procedure is same, we have to carry it directly. And in case of subtraction of unlike fraction, the same way we have to find LCM, make these fractions like, and then we have to subtract. And in case of subtraction of mixed fraction, we have to first subtract the fractional part, then we have to subtract the whole number, and then we have to write the answer together. So let's go ahead with first part, that is exercise 1.5, question 1. Let's subtract 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5, that equals to 3 minus 1 by 5. Therefore 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5 equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 5. Therefore this is our solution. Similarly, we can find for the next problem. 9 by 10 minus 7 by 10, that equals to 9 minus 7 upon 10. Therefore 9 by 10 minus 7 by 10 equals to 2 by 10. And you know 2 by 10 can be further divisible by 2, isn't it? So we shall reduce it to the lowest term. 9 by 10 minus 7 by 10 equals to 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So this is the reduced term. Let's solve the next question. Exercise 1.5. So first one only. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. These are unlike fraction. Let's convert to like fraction. Let's find the LCM. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Therefore 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 equals to, let's convert here only and rewrite 2 into 3 into. So we need to make the denominator 12. So to do that, we have to multiply this 3 by 4. Multiply the numerator by the same number. Next write 1 and 4. To make this denominator 12, we have to multiply by 3. Multiply to the numerator also by the same number. Therefore 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 equals to 4 2s are 8 divided by 12 minus 3 1s are 3 divided by 12. Therefore 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 equals to 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 by 12 is our answer. Okay, so similarly we shall find for the next fraction also. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. To make denominator 15, 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10 minus, so write 1 by 5, 1 and by into multiply by this 3, this also by 3. Therefore 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5 equals to 5 2s are 10 divided by 15 minus 3 1s are 3 divided by 15. Therefore final answer will be 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5, that equals to 7 by 15, and hence the answer.